Speaking of pets, hey, if you're a pet owner, few things break your heart more than seeing your furry friend in pain. Our next guests, they make it their mission to help animals in their time of need and to approach your pet's pain management in a responsible way. It's frankly, we should all be doing that, not just the pets. Here with more with St. Rose Animal Hospital and Urgent Care is Dr. Alex Edwards and Deborah Master. It's great having both of you. How are you?
Great to be here.
Doing well, thank you.
Very good.
So last time you were on, we discussed this K-laser treatment, and you use it as a form of pain management. Revisit what that was, and explain what else there is for pain management for pets.
Okay, so we did our K-laser last time. So what our K-laser does, it kind of works for pain management, wound healing, and tissue repair. Okay, so that can be used for acute or chronic pain. So pain comes in two forms, like we just talked about, acute and chronic. So acute would be more so something that just happens, so like a laceration or a broken bone, and something chronic would be something like an intervertebral disc disease or arthritis. So there's a lot of different methods for that. So you can use different things other than the K-laser. So we don't always have to use non-steroidal anti-inflammatory meds. We can use things such as glucosamine or joint supplements such as dazaquin, omega-3 fatty acids are really good for reducing inflammation. So there's a lot of different methods. That's what we want to try to get to our clients, is that you don't always have to just go for the traditional route. You can always go for the more things such as nutraceuticals like the vitamins and supplements.
Well, at what point do you decide, you know, let's go the glucosamine or vitamin route versus going another way?
So you got to understand that joint supplements are meant to prevent arthritis. So you want to get them started before arthritis gets started. You want to keep these joints as pain-free for as long as possible. So you want to start any animal that is 7 years of age or older needs to be on joint supplements. If they've had an orthopedic issue in the past, they've blown out a knee, have hip dysplasia, even if they're 6 months old and they get hit by a car or something, the rest of their life they need to be on joint supplements. But the joint supplement that you use is essential. Do not go over the counter. You want to be under the direct supervision of a veterinarian. You go over the counter, these over-the-counter supplements at best will do nothing for your animal and waste your money. At worst, they will slip in some aspirin to get you to give them high ratings, and aspirin will chip away at the cartilage in the joints. It will destroy the joints. It'll also chip away at the lining of the intestines and set you up for really bad ulcers. So
it's just not meant for that.
You got to use the veterinary products. And, you know, and like Dr. Edwards was mentioning, you know, your veterinarian puts you on dazaquin and you go, oh, I can find dazaquin online. It is only guaranteed to be real dazaquin, to be safe, to be effective if you get it through your veterinarian.
Of course, if you're getting it from some sort of secondary, you don't know what kind of gray area that's coming from. When it comes to humans, I know there's a lot of pain management. You get the chiropractors, acupuncture, everything under the sun. Do those things exist for pets as well, or is it pretty much, hey, here's your options?
Absolutely, absolutely. So one thing that's becoming a lot more popular in veterinary medicine is acupuncture. So, yes.
Do you have to kind of like get them chill first?
Yeah, you do. And I mean,
I don't think that just works.
Exactly. But yeah, so a big thing that we see, and unfortunately we see a lot of great owners, and they come to us and they talk a quality of life talk with us, and that's just based on how does their pet see in life. And so a lot of times we do see, unfortunately, owners, well, Joey's not feeling well, his back legs are hurt, every time I touch him he's hurting, I just don't think he's right anymore, and I want to put him down. But we want to tell our owners that that's not always the case. If Grandpa has a bad hip, our first inclination is, all right, let's pull the plug.
Let's kill him.
Right, exactly.
Wow.
Right.
Man.
So there's joint supplements, there's other options for that. So what we do at St. Rose, we like to provide our clients with more options and be like, okay, we can save Joey, you know? We can help him live better, we can help him live a more comfortable life. And that's why we recommend the K-laser, the joint supplements, and the glucosamine, because that always helps.
You're bumping into owners that, like, literally their first thought is put them down.
Well, see, I don't blame the owners for that, because
but it happens.
It happens because they just don't know. They see their pain suffering, and that's what we see as well. And sometimes they don't know if it can be fixed or not, and that's where we come in. Exactly.
You're offering second opinions as well, because I know some people, they might hear one thing from another vet and might be like, I don't know if that's the right decision. You offer those second opinions to help.
We do. From now until the end of September, we are offering free second opinions, not just on orthopedic issues, but pretty much on everything. Just bring your medical records, any diagnostics that have been done, bring the medications, any kind of medications or any kind of supplement that your animal's on, and we'll take a look. We just want you to have a veterinarian who will take the time, listen to your concerns, and will make a tailor-made treatment plan for your pet and to figure out what's the best thing to do. You know, if your pet is in pain, you got to do something now. You got to do something. It's just inhumane not to do anything.
No question.
Absolutely.
And you guys are located in a new location over at PetSmart near the McCarran Airport.
Correct.
It's great having you guys.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you for having us.
All right. If your pet is in pain, let the experts at St. Rose Animal Hospital and Urgent Care mend them back to health. They are located inside PetSmart, which is at Eastern and Patrick. You know where it is, just east of McCarran Airport. For more information on the practice, you can visit the website or call the number on your screen. St. Rose Animal Urgent Care is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blind.